Where to find the best sites. Beaches and beach vacations. Hello. So you want to know more about description of the biggest volcano on Earth? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about description of the biggest volcano on Earth is volcano.si.edu. See the page titled Global Volcanism Program, Smithsonian Institution. Here's the link. You can also try education-portal.com, especially the page What is a Volcano? Definition and Eruptions video, lesson. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.yourdictionary.com. The web page Volcano Dictionary definition volcano defined. Here's the link.